have something new for you to visit us. Confusion cannot find a suitable t-shirt for you. What do you do anything? Everyone does the laundry. I will buy you a suitable online store at Sama Store, and you will find everything you wish. In addition, you have a great gift that your heart loves and you will be happy with it. With every t-shirt, you will have a free book reading you, your friends, and your husband. The book is free for us at our showroom. The book on Amazon is so expensive that the gift may exceed the price of the t-shirt. We show you some beautiful designs for you to choose from. In addition, with every piece you buy as a precious gift, a varied and different book, the price of which is not less than 20 to 30 or perhaps more than $1. If you buy more than one piece, we will increase the gifts for you. Just inform us that you want more than one piece, and we have to increase the gift and reward. Whoever comes to our store will find excellent service, good, and excellent merchandise. Our prices are affordable, just try us. Thanksgiving comes to us in the United States. Of course, it needs a special dress, a special shape, and a gift for cooking turkeys in the manner of grandparents and parents. Just browse the products and you will see that they are in the right place. Moreover, you will be pleased and we hope that you inform us of what you want to provide for you. Only after you buy. Go to the channel description box and you will find the gift links. In addition, you will find what we promised you. Our gifts are precious and free, and if you buy more, inform us on our account listed, we will send you more gifts. Just prove that you bought more than 2 or 3 pieces, and we will follow our promise to you. Goodbye. Let us see you in our store. Do not forget to go to the description box to receive your valuable gift under the video.